So we got some birds yesterday and we named them.
And in the cage.
Wait, well, we already had the cage, but we named them Lola
And Sophia.
and Sophia.
Ring, ring. Roll it. Roll it. Oh no, it's
And now they're kissing, or I don't know. I'm not sure if one of them is a girl and one of them is a boy. I don't know. Or maybe they're scratching each other. But all day yesterday they didn't want to eat, and so I put some apples because they eat apples. They haven't really.
But I was in the cage.
Yeah. And so finally they started eating. Which I know, I did read it does take about a day for them to adjust to their surroundings. So they usually don't eat the first day, but today's the second day. And we got them a little swing right there with the bell, and then that thing. I don't really know what that's for. But they're going at it. Scratching each other or biting each other. I don't know what's going on. Hope you guys have a great weekend and God bless.